Give it a little bit of gas and turn your wheels left and right. Keep going. Harder. Harder. You almost made it. Uh-oh. Emergency lights on the Pro again. That's never a good sign. We've got an ace that will not start. Turns over but won't start, and then it'll start for a little bit and stalls. So we've got some power washing to do.
And lots of power washing.
Lots of power washing. Not sure what it is. No check engine light or anything yet. He cranked it so much that the battery died, so we tried to jump it and it started. But now it won't stay running and it wouldn't start unless I feathered the gas. So I don't know if we got water in the plug or water in the computer or something.
Probably just sucked up too much water in the radiator or something.
Not in the radiator, but we'll definitely crack open that air box when it's clean and see if we got some water in there. Definitely got water where it does not belong. It is now the next day. The machine is clean and dry. I'm suspicious of a spark issue. We've got a coil right here. Obviously the plug is right in there. So I think I'm going to pull these apart and see if I can see a spark. I think it's pretty dry. Not too bad at all. Definitely got some water, but it looks like it did not go through the seal. This is just wet for me pulling it out. Let me dry that off. It was pretty clean and dry down in the end. Let me pull the spark plug right out. We'll see if we have spark. All right, go ahead and crank it. Spark plug's not very great, but I do have spark. Do it one more time. Hold on. Do it one more time. Okay.
Burn you?
Nope, shocked me. That look like mud.
Kind of it.
I think this is mud on the end of the spark plug,
That might be.
which is a really bad thing because that means it ate mud. Ah, crud. Well, if it ate mud, that means it came in through the air box. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man, we're in trouble. Oh yeah, it's straight through. Dang it. Gosh darn.
me to put that in the sink?
Yeah, she drank mud. Dang nabbit, that's bad. This is very, very bad. This should have a drain in the bottom. Why didn't it drain? There's a drain, it's right here. Oh, it's clogged with mud. Well, this is all bad news. Well, I gotta get this airbox all flushed out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was not expecting this much. To be wrong, I really thought we just got some water on a coil, but boy, that sucked some serious mud. I still don't know how it sucked that much mud through the intake, which is all the way up here. Because if you look at the video, the water's not coming in through there. I mean, I guess it did a little bit. But then even then, it should have flowed down. It's supposed to go out that drain, but it was thick mud, so it just pooled up, I guess. It's too much. But now my concern is that spark plug. You saw it, it's covered in mud. There's no question. That is mud on the end of my spark plug. Which means I got mud all in my cylinder. I'll be honest. This particular machine was burning a little bit of oil, I noticed, and it's definitely using a little bit of oil. So I was kind of postponing a rebuild till this winter, but I'm thinking a rebuild might be happening right now. Top end anyway. We'll see what the bottom end does once I get down to it. If that bearing's bad, it's gonna need a new bottom end too. Oh my gosh, this is awful. Not what I expected to do right now. So I'm gonna set this up in time-lapse mode. I'm gonna start stripping the body off of it and doing a rebuild. It's gotta come apart. No way around it, it's gotta be done. That looks different. Got the whole box and the roof off. Now I've got easy access to the top end. So from here, I think I'm gonna start drilling down into it. See how bad the damage is. I'm betting I've got scored piston walls. That's what I'm thinking. Teardown's going well. And down to the piston. That is mud on the piston. It's so bad. I've got mud down the throat of the throttle body. We knew that already. Into that dark black hole. Flashlight. Yeah, that's no good. And we've got mud down there on the valves. All bad news. All very, very bad news. So, next I'm gonna pull off the jug here, which is surprisingly short. I thought it'd be bigger. Got it inside, and that's as far as I'm tearing it down tonight. Gonna get a new piston, obviously. Gonna get a new cylinder, because I priced them out and it's cheap enough just to get a new one rather than bore it over. And yeah, that's where I stand. I don't know, maybe I'll have it bored. Maybe I'll make some calls. Either new cylinder or new piston and a new cylinder, or I'll get the cylinder board and get a slightly oversized piston. One or the other. And the rod, I think the rod is okay. There is no up and down play whatsoever. I have a little bit side to side, but I can't rock it, so I think it's okay. I always felt like this particular engine was a little bit noisy. I was thinking about replacing it, but now that I look at it, I don't know. I think it's okay. I think we're gonna send it with just a new top end and see what happens. So obviously I have some parts to order, so it's gonna be a little bit before I come back and check in. But it'll be pretty quick for you guys because you'll just hit the next video. It'll be easy. So thank you so much for stopping by. We really appreciate all of our viewers. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. I got the button right there. Just click on it. That's all you gotta do. It's easy. We really appreciate you stopping by, watching our videos, and we hope to see you again right here on 3-Day Weekend.